Can a $200 smart thermostat actually save you money? Or is it just another overpriced tech gadget? The short answer, yes, they can save you money, but only if you use them right. Here's how smart thermostats can save you money. Automated scheduling learns your daily routine and adjusts temperatures when you're home, asleep, or away. No more heating or cooling an empty house. Remote access. You can control your home's temperature from anywhere using your phone. Forgot to lower the temperature? Fix it in a tap. Geofencing. Brands like Nest and Ecobee use your phone's location to tell if you're home and adjust accordingly. Energy usage reports. Track your consumption and get personalized tips to cut costs. Weather and smart home integration. Advanced models adjust in real time based on outdoor temperatures and utility rates. How much can you actually save? According to Natural Resources Canada and Energy Star, smart thermostats can save 8 to 12% on heating and 15% on cooling. That's roughly $100 to $200 per year, depending on your lifestyle, HVAC system, and how well you use it. Are they worth it? For many homeowners, they pay for themselves in just 1 to 2 years, especially if you have a changing schedule, forget to adjust the thermostat, heat or cool a large space, want better humidity or comfort control. What to consider before buying? Here are a few things to keep in mind. Cost, about $150 to $350 up front. Compatibility, some systems may need a C-Wire or Pro installation, and Wi-Fi. They need a reliable connection to work effectively. Smart thermostats do save money when used right. They also give you better comfort, better control, and better insight into your energy habits. If you're ready to upgrade, Affordable Comfort installs and supports Nest, Ecobee, Honeywell, and more. We'll help you pick the right one and make sure it's saving you money from day one. Thanks for watching.